Hello, my name's Cole Jones, and I'm a contract specialist at Sheppard Air Force Base. Today, I'll guide you through the Acquisition Requirements tool to help you successfully submit your requirements. On the Start page, you will see a drop-down menu. Select the option that best describes your requirement, and then press the Submit button. Today, we'll be purchasing $45,000 worth of computers. You would select Supplies from the drop-down menu and click Submit. If you're ever unsure about an option, there is a description below the drop-down menu. Next, you will be prompted to select a more specific category for your item. Continuing our example, for the computers, we would select Information Technology from the category drop-down menu. On the following page, you will see a series of check boxes. Please check every box that applies to your requirement. If you need clarification on any item, click the red question mark next to it for a detailed description. Once you have made your selections, press Submit. You will now need to enter the independent government estimate, which is the total estimated value of the requirement. For our example, we would enter 45,000. This page is for providing the funding details. Select your source of funding from the drop-down menu. Choose either funded or unfunded. If you're unsure, select unfunded. The green Submit button will only appear after you've completed both selections. For our example, we will select the 3080 funds, and the funding type will be funded. We will then select the Air Force, and now we're going to be choosing our unit. For today's example, we will choose the Sheppard Fire Department. You have now entered all the necessary details. The tool will present you with a comprehensive overview page where you can review all your submitted information. If anything is incorrect, you can go back and edit your answers. This page features three important tabs on the bottom left of your screen. First of which is the Information tab. This provides a summary of your requirement and lists the appropriate points of contact you should you have any questions. Second is the Documents tab. Here you will find essential guidance, helpful templates, and a list of documents from the 82nd Contracting Squadron that we require for your package. Submitting a complete package is the best way to ensure a quick turnaround time. And the third is the Mandatory Sources page. This section offers further guidance regarding mandatory sources that must be used to procure your requirement. Once you've reviewed everything, you can have all this information sent directly to your email. So on the bottom left, press the red, large Email This to Me button in the bottom left corner. Give your project a name and press Submit. Within 1 to 5 minutes, you will receive a convenient email containing the requirement overview, official templates, and necessary guidance. The contracting office regularly updates these documents so you can be confident that you're receiving the most current information.